In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Maps Street View Look Around on your iPhone. This is a fantastic tool for exploring new places, planning future trips, or just getting a feel for an area you might be visiting soon. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to launch the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. It's the one with the icon that looks like a colourful map. Once you've opened the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it in a while. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar waiting for you to enter an address or a place you'd like to explore. Type in the name or address of the location you want to look around in. This could be a specific address, a general place like a park, or a famous landmark. Once you've input your desired location, go ahead and press search. As your selected location pops up, you'll be presented with a map view, and if it's a recognized business or a point of interest, it will often show additional details about that place. Tap on these details. This will provide you with more insights and, if available, more options to explore the location further. Now here's where the magic happens. If the look around feature is supported in your selected area, you'll notice a small binoculars icon or a button that says look around on your screen. This icon is your gateway to stepping virtually onto the streets of that location and seeing it in detail. If you see it, go ahead and tap on it to enter the look around mode. Once you've tapped into the look around feature, you're greeted with a stunning 360-degree street view. This immersive view lets you feel as though you're actually there. Navigating within look around is quite intuitive. Simply swipe across your screen to move through the streets and explore the surroundings. This is a great way to get your bearings and see what the area looks like from different angles. If you want a closer look, you can pinch the screen to zoom in, or spread your fingers apart to zoom out for a broader perspective. To keep exploring, just tap and hold the screen. This allows you to focus on a specific area or move further along the street. It's particularly useful if you spot something interesting and want to take a closer look, or if you need to orient yourself before a visit. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can master the look around feature on Apple Maps to enhance your exploring experience. Whether you're prepping for a trip, taking a virtual stroll, or simply satisfying your curiosity, Apple Maps Street View Look Around feature offers a remarkably vivid way to see the world from your iPhone. Happy exploring!